G'day and welcome. When you need a quick but tasty salad dressing, look no further. This dressing utilises the umami of soy sauce with just the right amount of balance between sweetness and tanginess. Combine in a container or jar with a tight lid, ketchup mayonnaise, soy sauce, sesame oil, rice wine vinegar, chopped chives, minced garlic and ginger. You can also add some sugar. Seal the jar and give it a bloody good shake. Use straight away or store in an airtight container in the refrigerator or freezer.